This is the Astrohouse Freewrite Smart Typewriter, a modern take on a classic device designed to help writers focus on what really matters, the words. If you've ever found yourself distracted by endless notifications or the lure of the internet, this might be the device for you. But before we dive into its features, let's take a closer look at the hardware that makes this typewriter so special. The keys are mechanical, using Kale Brown switches that offer a tactile feel without being too loud. If you're a fan of mechanical keyboards, you'll appreciate the satisfying clicky feel those switches provide. The typewriter is housed in a sturdy aluminum frame which gives it a solid, durable feel. Weighing in at just under 4 pounds, it's portable enough to take with you on the go, but substantial enough to feel like a serious writing tool. It even includes a handle. The retro design with its rounded corners and textured keys evokes a sense of typewriters from the early 20th century while still delivering a modern typing experience. One of the standout features of the Freewrite is the e-ink screen. Unlike a traditional backlit screen, the e-ink display is easy on the eyes and perfect for long writing sessions. It's crisp, clear, and designed to look like ink on paper. Plus, the screen is free from glare, so you can even use it outdoors. The display shows 5 lines of text at a time depending on the magnification, which might sound minimal, but it's all about focusing on your words without distraction. And speaking of focus, if you're gearing up for NaNoWriMo 2024, this device could be your perfect writing companion. With its distraction-free environment, the Freewrite helps you power through those daily word counts, ensuring that nothing stands between you and your creative flow. Whether you're aiming for the NaNoWriMo goal of 50,000 words or just trying to build a regular writing habit, the Freewrite makes it easy to stay on track. Now you might be wondering, how do you get your writing from the Freewrite to your computer? And that, my friends, is where the built-in Wi-Fi comes in. The Freewrite automatically backs up your work to the cloud, syncing with services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Evernote. You can also send your documents via email directly from the typewriter to your email address. And for those moments when you're off the grid, the Freewrite stores everything locally until you're back online. Let's talk about the keyboard layout. It's a standard QWERTY layout with a few function keys that allow you to switch between different folders, turn Wi-Fi on and off, and access settings. And these are some big chunky switches, folks. Using the Freewrite Postbox online tools, you can add additional languages using your web browser. Editing options are minimal since the Freewrite is all about keeping you writing, not editing. Powering all of this is a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts up to 4 weeks on a single charge, depending, of course, on your usage. Charging is simple with the included USB-C cable. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Whether you're writing at home or on the move, the Freewrite is designed to keep up with your creative flow. One of the things I love about the Freewrite is how it blends the best of both worlds. It gives you the focused, distraction-free writing experience of a traditional typewriter with the convenience and connectivity of modern technology. You get the tactile feel of mechanical keys, the ease of a digital display, and the peace of mind that comes with those automatic backups to the cloud. The Freewrite also comes with a few customizable options. You can choose from different models and finishes, each offering the same great features with a slightly different look. It's clear that the folks at Freewrite have put a lot of thought into every aspect of this device, from the design to, most importantly, the user experience. So is the Freewrite Smart Typewriter worth it? It is kind of pricey, but if you're someone who values a distraction-free writing environment and appreciates a blend of retro design with modern functionality, then absolutely. It's a niche product, but for writers who constantly battle digital distractions, it's probably going to be a game changer for you. And at the end of the day, the Freewrite is all about helping you focus on what really matters, the words on the page. And in a world full of distractions, that's something worth investing in. Now, before you go, here's something else that might catch your eye, especially if you're a fan of film noir and retro aesthetics. In this video, I take a longer look at the Freewrite typewriter in a film noir style. I think you'll enjoy it. It's pretty creative. That's it for now. retroCombs out.